Hi there and welcome back to my channel. A few years ago I created this small oil painting, Cactus on the Roof. I decided to create a larger version for an upcoming exhibition in Berlin, Germany that will take place in June this year. I already primed the canvas with a thin layer of burnt umber mixed with mineral spirit. For hundreds of years, artists used many ways to make this process of drawing and tracing to a canvas much easier and faster. Even during the 15th century, the Dutch painter Van Eyck used the camera obscura to transfer and trace images onto a canvas, especially when the subject was very complicated to paint, like the chandelier in his painting the Arnolfini portrait. The camera obscura is a dark box with a hole in it and a lens in the hole, so the light and the scene can project from the outside onto a canvas. Some kind of an old school projector. There are three main methods to transfer and enlarge an image onto a canvas. The first method is freehand painting by observation, by looking at the photo and transferring the photo onto the canvas. If I want to use this method, it will take me between 3 and 4 hours in order to transfer the image onto this large canvas, and it will be very difficult because of the size of the canvas. The second way is the grid method, where I divide the canvas to lines and squares and then try to trace the lines that I see in the image in each square. If I use the second method, it will take me between 2 and 3 hours because of the size of this canvas. The third way is to use my little friend here, a projector. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think it's cheating? And what do you prefer to use when upscaling an image onto a large canvas? So, how much time will it take me to transfer my image onto this canvas using my friend here? Let's check it out together.
Still we need to be in motion.
It took me less than 20 minutes. I transferred the image to the canvas. Now I can finally start painting with colors. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.